So we are going to be analyzing these pairs. So let's start on, we always start our analysis using the higher time frame, which is the 4 hour. If you notice, if you have been trading with us for a while, you understand this better. So we are currently on gold, and gold has been bullish. You can see consolidating before, but this candle broke out of that consolidation. After the break, you can see price is now making a clean structure up, which is a higher high, higher low, higher high structure. So the first thing we want to do when we come to our chart is to mark out our levels. So we are going to first mark out our retest level, which is the last higher low that was formed, which is this level here. Don't worry if you don't understand this, I'll break it down real quickly very soon. So this is the last higher low that was formed. This is what we identify as a higher low. Price broke, came back for a retest or exhaustion, and we are now having the continuation up. So this is our best buying opportunity, stop loss below for a continuation up. But to be able to do that, we identify that there's a lot of weak rejection here. So any buys you plan on taking, just make sure you have at least a moderate stop loss placement, because price might weak you out before finally going in your direction. So let's scale down to the 1 hour to see the behavior of candles clearly around that level. So once we scale down to the 1 hour to see the behavior, you can see this clearly. Price, these candles are the weak rejection we have seen on the 4 hour. Let's scale up so you can see these candles here are what we saw on the 1 hour, like a break. That's why it's always advisable to use the higher time frame to draw out your key levels, because if we would have scaled down to the 1 hour and start marking our levels, we'll account that weak rejection, we'll account this candle as a break, so you can see. But on the higher time frame, this is just a weak rejection. You can see it here, this is just a weak rejection. So this is not a break yet. The only time this level will validate a break is when we have a 4 hour candle close below. But you can see the candle do not close with a, then your stop loss below, have a moderate stop loss, and your TP should always be around some of this level, because these are resistance level. Price might struggle to break above. We are not saying that price cannot break above the level, but price might struggle to break. So if you are currently on the live stream, give us a thumbs up, drop your question in the live chat. If there's any pair you want me to help you analyze, drop it down there. And if you're a new viewer, subscribe, turn on the notifications up. We are only looking for buying opportunity on gold. So this is how your trade setup should look like, and this is where your target should be. So let's scale down to the 1 hour so that we can see the setup clearly. Sorry about that. So we are currently on the 1 hour right now, so it is a bit distracting. Okay, so as I said, the trend is still bullish. We'll buy at the level, stop loss below for a continuation up. The only time we start looking for selling opportunity is when we have, let me clear some of these charts. The chart look a bit messy. Let's see. The only time we start looking for sell is when we have a strong 4 hour candle close below this retest level. As long as price is trading above it, we are good for buys. So that's the logic behind our trade. We are still buyers. So let's analyze the next pair, which is the Bitcoin USD. Currently we have analyzed gold. As I said, if you are just joining us, give us a thumbs up, give us a like, drop your question in the live chat. If there's any pair you want me to help you analyze, drop it in the live chat and I'll do that for you guys. And if you're a new viewer, subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up, and let's continue with the analysis. So we are currently on Bitcoin USD.